So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be giving you 5 reasons why you should get the new Galaxy A52. And if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Aaqib and I upload tech related videos in this channel. And if you want to get the latest update on tech, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first reason will be it has a better display. Yeah, the phone comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 407 ppi density. And if you don't know what a ppi density is, it's actually the pixels density in an inch, and the full form of ppi will be pixels per inch. And this awesome screen comes with a whopping 90Hz refresh rate. Don't get me wrong, it's 90Hz refresh rate. You can either change it to 60Hz or 90Hz by going to settings, then motion smoothness, and you can change. And let's have a look on the display. Coming on to the second one, this phone comes with a 6GB or 8GB RAM. The one I have is an 8GB RAM variant, and it's powered by Snapdragon 720G. This phone has one of the greatest optimization found in a phone. Trust me, don't get fooled by the specs of other phones out in the market. The Galaxy A52 is way better than those. Okay, on to the third one. This phone has an awesome 4500 mAh battery capacity which supports 25W fast charging, and it can reach up to 50% in 30 minutes. The battery can last for more than 30 hours, sometimes even more. Samsung claims that it can stay up to 2 days, which is 48 hours, and upon testing, I guess it's true. So by doing basic things like checking up social medias, calls, and sending or receiving messages, it can definitely hold up. So for the fourth reason, this phone has an awesome stereo speaker system in it. So the first speaker is on the top near the selfie camera, and we have the usual normal speaker on the bottom of the phone. So let's have a small music test so you can identify that the sounds are coming from two different ways. Yeah, let's go on to it. And for the fifth reason, you all guessed it right. It's all about the awesome camera. Let's take a closer look. Okay, on the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and on the back we have a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and finally a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Let's take a closer look on the camera's UI. It has a cool camera UI with so many features into it. Some of the basics are it can shoot up to 4K with 30 FPS and has a super slow-mo as well. There is a vast area to cover on it, so I will be making a separate camera review video to cover them all. So for that, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you haven't watched the unboxing of this phone, I'll make sure I put the link in the description. And that's all for today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell button, as many new interesting contents will be coming soon. And as always, see you guys in the next one.